Building a Second Brain. It is Tiago's brand new book, and in this video we're kicking off Tiago Forte Week 2. So today it is really exciting because we've got a couple of collaborations across this week. I wanted to give you the schedule and agenda and also point you towards buying Tiago's brand new book. For those who don't know, Tiago Forte is the creator of something called the Second Brain methodology, and he's just condensed it into a brand new read. It will be available in the majority of countries, and I'll put it in the link in the description. This means quite a bit because I followed Tiago ever since I was like 16 or 17 years old. And he's really come through such a interesting journey, and now having a book must be so weird, actually being able to walk into a bookstore and be like, oh, I wrote that, which is pretty cool. So meeting him in person was absolutely crazy, and that's why we're doing this sort of week, because we've got a couple of great videos that we put together with him, and I want to run you through some of the videos that we have planned for Tiago Forte Week 2. So the first video, which will be tomorrow, will actually be focusing with just me about the second brain inside of Notion and a couple of useful templates and systems to get started. The second video will be going through Tiago's apps and how he uses them in conjunction with the second brain, and we'll be diving into some of the ways that he's using them too. And the third video this week in particular will be about some of our spicy takes on the productivity market of apps that are out now. I had a super great time speaking with Tiago, learning so much from him. I even got to take him to a fish and chip shop in London, which is pretty cool. But I wanted to say a big thank you to Tiago for sending me the book early, giving me your time, and for our collaborations. And I hope everyone at home really enjoys this week to sort of celebrate all of the goodness of the brand new book. So roll on Tiago Forte Week 2, let's do it. Thank you very much, folks. Please do subscribe if you're brand new. That's the best way to get notified of brand new videos. And I'll see you later across this week.